Now, one of the disadvantages of using a scientific calculator is that usually there is a log button that allows us to take the common logarithm of something, and an ln button that allows us to take the natural log of something, but there isn't always a button that allows us to take the logarithm where the base is something other than 10 or e. Now, some calculators certainly will have this, but others only have buttons that allow us to evaluate logarithms that are common logarithms or natural logarithms. So, how do we calculate something like log base 2 of 100? If our calculator will only do common logs and natural logs, there's no way to enter this directly into the calculator. Luckily, there's a formula that we can use, and this formula is called the change of base formula that allows us to rewrite a logarithm in a given base with a different base. The formula says the following. If we have log base b of a, we can rewrite this as a quotient using any other base like so. We can write this as log base c of a over log base c of b. So when we rewrite this, the base of the original logarithm goes inside the logarithm in the bottom, and then the number we're taking the logarithm of goes inside the logarithm in the top, and the new base can be anything at all so long as it's the same in the numerator and the denominator. Now, why is this helpful? This allows us to take any logarithm and rewrite it using a different base. And so we can do that with the example up here. We can rewrite this log base 2 of 100 as the common logarithm of 100 over the common logarithm of 2. And if we enter both of these into a calculator, we can see that this is approximately equal to 6.64. We could also rewrite this as the natural log of 100 over the natural log of 2. And when we evaluate these, the individual logarithms will be different from the individual ones above, but the ratio will be the same, and we should still get approximately 6.64. This change of base formula allows us to take a logarithm with a base that's difficult to deal with and rewrite it as either a common logarithm or a natural logarithm, which our calculators can easily deal with. We could rewrite it with a different base. We could even rewrite this as log base 5 of 100 over log base 5 of 2. But because most calculators can't deal with logs base 5, this doesn't really end up being that helpful. So really, we're going to generally use common and natural logarithms along with this change of base formula so that we can use our calculators to get good approximations.